Today guys, I wanted to show you how to get started with Hamster Kombat, which is a crypto game built into Telegram where the coins you earn within the game directly correlate to the amount of coins you're going to get when their token launches. That means the more that you guys play, the more money that you'll eventually earn. Along with the tokens they're going to be giving out to their player base, they have a guaranteed airdrop for everybody that actually plays the game and does specific tasks within the game. I'm going to show you guys how to get started and get signed up and get the ball rolling. Step 1 guys, we're going to go to the description of this video and grab the link to the Hamster Kombat game. This will actually add you to a Telegram group where you can play the game. To launch the game, we're going to click the play button in the bottom left hand corner. Once it's opened, we're going to hit next a couple times through the beginning screens, and then I'm going to show you guys how to actually get started playing. Here we're going to click Shave the Hamster, and then right after that we're going to click Become CEO, and then it should actually let us start playing. Alright, we're at the front page of the game guys. We can start tapping and earning coins, which is essentially the entire goal of the game. We want to get as many coins as possible because once this project launches and goes live, they're going to be sending out real tokens to all the people that actually played the game. The amount of tokens you'll receive directly correlates to the amount of tokens you earn within the game. So the more tokens you earn within the game, the more tokens you'll earn after the project launches, and these tokens will be actually sellable for real money. There's a ton of different ways to earn coins within this game. One I highly recommend, in the upper left hand corner, there's a daily rewards button. For example, you can check out one of their YouTube videos for a daily batch of coins. You can also just daily check in for a set amount of coins. And then you can also join their Telegram group and get a set amount of coins. They always have a bunch of new stuff in here, so you always want to be checking this daily. While you're in here, you can also click Choose Your Exchange, which will let you pick through a handful of different exchanges. This is just a fun part of the game. In the bottom right hand corner, there's a Boosts button, which can be very helpful for people new to the game. In here, you can refill your energy, for example. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually start making a bunch of coins. Once we have a few saved up, we're going to click the Mine button in the bottom tab. In here, it's going to list all the upgrades and purchases available that we can go ahead and buy. A lot of these are going to be locked until you either do a certain task, for example, upgrade a thing to level 3, for example, or whatnot. But all of these in here produce a certain amount of coins per hour. So essentially, the more that you buy, the more coins you'll passively earn or generate per hour. Here I'm purchasing and then upgrading the IT team, so that way I can show you guys how much I'm actually earning per hour. I highly recommend that you guys purchase and upgrade the best ones that you guys can, the ones that produce the most per hour. If you guys have any questions about the game or need any help, go ahead and drop me a comment. Other than that, thank you guys for watching.